I could not follow, of course, the procedure because I don't speak the language, but I can clearly attest that the conditions under which the trial took place are not conform with what the European Convention of Human Rights demands. It was not a fair trial. The advocates, the lawyers of the Communist Party have been attacked before entering the room, not only verbally but also physically. That was in the presence of the police. Then during the process, a deputy has interrupted the trial by threatening the lawyers of the Communist Party again, twice. The judge presiding did not intervene. So I think that the pressure exerted to the court under these circumstances is creating a condition that it is not conform neither to the rule of law nor to the demands of the Article 6 of the European Convention of Human Rights on a fair trial. I'm coming from Greece, a country that has been ravaged by civil war and where the Communist Party was banned. We came back to normality only when the Communist Party was legalized. So it is not conform to the European legal or political civilization to ban a party because of its beliefs. I hope that Ukraine is not going to enter this slippery road because it is not a road towards democracy.
This is anti-democratic
process. I don't think, from what I have seen, it was not a democratic process. It was not a process conform to the rule of law. It was clearly a political process.
How communist parties of left parties of Europe can defend Communist Party in Ukraine?
We must show our solidarity. I think it is not just an obligation of the leftist parties. Everybody who believes in democracy must stand in favor of the Communist Party of Ukraine, because when somebody is starting to attack communists, then the place of another is going to come. So I think it is a matter that concerns all of us.
How can you appreciate the arguments of Ministry of Justice of Ukraine that they give to this court?
From what I understood from the summary they presented to me, they are completely unsubstantiated. I don't think that any court could, based on this evidence, ban a Communist Party.